Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital and today I'm very excited to reveal the teaser of upcoming project Trump Towers, which is located in Kokapet, Hyderabad, a project developed by joint venture of Tribeca Developers and IRA Realty. And in this teaser, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding and neighborhood of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel, and on my right-hand side here is the land parcel of these towers. That is Trump Tower. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects you directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project is spread across 4 acres of land parcel, and they are coming up with 2 twin towers with each tower of 63 floors, and this project provides you 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK with different variants, and in total there will be 400 apartments in this project. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located on Golden Mile Layout Road in Kokapet, Hyderabad. So let me show you the neighborhood, and this is the Golden Mile Layout Road, and this road will connect you towards Gandhipet and Neopolis. And the opposite side road that is just behind me, you can check out, this is the service road of ORR, and ORR exit number 1 is just 1 minute away from the project. So financial district is 10 minutes away from the project, high-tech city in 15 minutes, and you can connect to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport in 30 minutes from the location. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 80 plus world-class amenities like of Infinity Edge Pool, Wellness and Spa Center, Multi-Purpose Court, Sky Garden, Co-working Space, and many more amenities in this project. Now about the super built-up area. So as mentioned, this project provides you 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK with different variants up to 5,000 square feet super built-up area. For more details, you can visit our website www.housey.com and stay tuned for more details of this project. Now about the booking process. So project is in pre-launch stage. You can visit our website www.housey.com for more details, and our sales team will make you visit the actual site and give you more details of the project as well. So everyone, this was a teaser of the upcoming new launch project that is Trump Towers, which is located in Kokapet, Hyderabad, a project developed by a joint venture by Tribeca Developers and IRA Realty.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.